This is really unique style added addition port. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. This is really unique style added addition port to kind of lower the tuning, or?
No, the box wasn't designed for these subs, and I added more bracing by putting out exteriors and trying to lower the tuning just to accommodate a little bit.
Yeah,
so,
that's smart.
And then I'm running half power on them. I'm running SVC 7500 instead of my depth bounce 11.2 or 11.8. So I'll get the right power to it in 2 weeks and see what she does.
Yes, sir.
It's not the prettiest back there.
It works? Yeah. What's the lithium or alternator or battery power?
The lithium's 100 amp hour level-less.
Okay.
And alternator's Raggy 370.
Okay. I'll meet you inside. All right. So, what was your box port tuned to before the add-on and changes, and then now?
Probably around 34. Now it's 32, and I really want it around 28.
Okay. Have you considered inverting the subs to add another 1 or 2 hertz change?
Actually, what I needed to do, the subs only require 2.5 cubes. That box is 3.5, but the subs take up a cube.
Got it. Okay.
So it actually almost compensates.
Yeah.
For the rent that I'm taking.
Got it. Yes, sir. Nice.
So, a lot of women out into the cave. Life through a nigga never made. Sack racing to the money every day. I'm gonna do what I want. I'm gonna ball like Orlando Pace. 100,000 in the briefcase. 100,000 in my knee safe. My OG bought my phone and said she wants Chanel. My Migo came to bless me with a $100 bill. Came up back to ski out with that fishy smell. My chick say I'm like Carter Chill. My Migo bought my life, he got a $100 bill. My Migo bought my life, he got a $100 bill.
That got pretty low, huh? Like 27, 28 hertz range or so, man.
Well, once I tune it proper and put the right power,
You don't need a lower windier?
Yeah, a lot windier.
Oh yeah, awesome. I appreciate you showing me, man. Nice to meet you. Yes, sir. Nice to meet you, man. I like it. Appreciate it. You have a good day.